Today we are going to discuss about the construction of reciprocal space. In real space, a crystal can be represented by vectors, and these vectors are, let's say, a1, a2 and a3. These are the vector in real space. So these vectors can use to make the crystal of a solid. But now we are interested to construct a reciprocal space. In order to form a reciprocal space, we have to introduce reciprocal space vector. And this reciprocal space vector are b1, b2, b3. Because all the cases we are making the arrow in the cap. Okay, so these are the reciprocal space vector. Why we need such kind of vector? We have already discussed, because this reciprocal space gives us a simplified idea to understand many phenomena, many cases which can very difficult to understand from a real space point of view, like the absence of high index HKL plane in XRT pattern. So how to construct a reciprocal space vector? By considering the definition, we say that the reciprocal space vector B3 is equal to A1 cross product A2 by volume of the unit cell. Similarly, you can construct B1, B2 by the definition, and this is basically the a cyclic rule A1, A2, A3. When you are talking about B1, you have to close A1, then cross product between the next one and third one, A2 cross A3. Similarly, when you are talking about your B2, then you have to take cross product of A3, A1. That next one, not the previous one. Next one will be the first. And A3 will be your A1 cross product A2. Now the cross product of vector is what? Cross product of vectors means the area. So if I consider a lattice of triclinic system where A1, A2, A3 are projected like this, A1, A2, A3 are not equal and alpha, beta, gamma are not equal in the triclinic system. So the cross product of A1 vector and A2 vector will be the area of this basal plane OACB, and the direction of the cross product vector will be perpendicular to this basal plane OACB. Okay, that is the direction. Now if I consider uh, the volume, then volume equal to area of this OACB into height. Height is the OD. And B3 vector, that is, you know that this is a cross product of vector by some scalar quantity. Volume is a scalar quantity. So what will happen? The projection of B3 will be perpendicular to the plane of A1 and A2. So it will be along A3 direction. Okay, the direction will be A3. Now the B3 will be area of OACB by volume. Now if I take the magnitude only, then area of this OACB by volume, that means area of OACB rectangle into OD. OD is the height, and this is basically the projection. OD is the projection of A3 on perpendicular to A1, A2. OD is the projection of A3, that is A3 vector also projected in the upward direction, and the projection will be in the B3. That means B3 is nothing. B3 is the product of your perpendicular form of the product of A2 and A3, or A1 and A3, whatever you want to say. So from this expression you can see that this magnitude of B is 1 by OD. 1 by OD means 1 by length. So that is the magnitude of a reciprocal space vector is inverse to the length. So that's why this is proved that it is a reciprocal space vector. So OD is aligned on the 0, 0, 1 direction towards the C axis. So this is a 0, 0, 1 plane. Similarly, B3 is the spacing between 0, 0, 1 plane. Okay. B3, so B3 is nothing. The magnitude of B3 will be 1 by D 0, 0, 1. Similarly, you can construct B2 is 1 by D 0, 1, 0 and B1 will be 1, 0, 0. Okay. Now, if you made product of this B2 and B3 or B1, B2, B3, A2 like this, then what will happen? B3 dot product A2 will be B3 is perpendicular to the plane where A1 and A2, that is B3 is this direction, Z direction, and A1, A2 are in the XY direction. So what will happen? B3 has make a angle 90 degree with the A2. So what will happen? The dot product will be cos theta, angle between these two vector. So B3 into A2 cross dot product cos 90 degree. That will yield 0. So B3 B2 is 0. B3 A1 also be 0. You can do that. And B3 A1 will be different because B3 and A3 both are directed in the upward direction. So they have made a angle of 0 degree. So that will form, so B3 we know that 1 by OD and A3 is also OD, because if we want to make the dot product, then we have to project one vector on the other vector. So what will be the projection of A3 on B3? That will be OD. So A3 is the OD and B3 value also 1 by OD. So A3 dot product B3 or B3 dot product A3 will be 1. So we can say that Bi Aj equal to 0 where I not equal to j, and that will be equal to 1 when I equal to j. Okay. So that is the relationship between your reciprocal space vector and a real space vector, how they are related. Okay.